my geckos are here, and I'll go put them in their enclosure. But first, let me put my Pictus catfish in their aquarium. So I'll let that acclimate over, I don't know where. I don't know which side. He's like, is there food for me? These aren't food, trust me. They might eat you instead. Let's put it like a dish. Does that work? I think that works. They're like, oh, crazy. Oh. We get some food. Alright. Let's go upstairs and open this up. So hopefully I'll get this opened. And if you see me take off, that's because of the street sweeper. Nope, that's not street sweeper, that's a tow truck. Thank you for your order. Hope you enjoy your animals, Angela. Thank you, Angela. By the way, this is my first time actually ordering animals online. So, or no, second time because I ordered isopods couple days. I don't know. I'll send you guys back to the when I got the isopods opened, and then we'll come back to this. It seems like I got a package. I just realized what this is. These are all my isopods. Let me grab my stand. Alright, stand. Hell yes. Finally. I do it like that. I do it like this. Tip down, angle, focus, selection. I got my isopods. Fuck this. We got a little bit of a nice pack right now. The styrofoam package very well. Oh, they're super small. Smells good. Ooh, baby. I got me some. I got zebra and I got my clowns. Nice. Here, let me try to piece this. Yeah. See if I can focus. Those are my clowns. What's up, dude? Oh. Trying to escape. It's that one. Open up the zebras. Tape stuck to my hand. Oh, look at that, perfect. Little zebra. So I gotta go set those up. Oh. Nice. So now we're gonna release the zebras. And then I'll leave that right there to remind myself. And then release the clowns. You are free. Go. Live your lives. Believe in yourself. We got some gel. Isabel. What stuff's... Oh. What to go... Dude, what the... What is that? Ecotherm. It looks like something else, but I'm not gonna say it. I'm gonna put that in the trash can. Got one. And we got two. The babies. They're wee little babies. Look at them. They're so tiny. Is there another one in here tiny? They're little babies. Okay. Well, that just changed a lot of stuff, actually. So, instead of putting them in the enclosure with the adult in there, I guess I'm putting them in the enclosure that I was going to put my morning geckos in. But I don't have morning geckos, so I'm just going to put them in here. Because it's safer. Or my... Oh, wait. Is it safer? I don't know. We're going to have to figure it out. But, in the meantime... Okay, so I think I'll put them in because they're so tiny, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like in there after. Well, they're in there. The little ones were out. There's one there, and there's a second one somewhere. But yeah, they're both in there, and I kind of want to make a little montage of them, but I'm gonna let them get used to everything and get them fed and whatnot. So, yeah, thanks for joining. Hope you like and subscribe if you like this video, or more videos like this instead of me being directly on the camera. Just more about the animals versus me. You know? Okay. Bye-bye.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Watch out. Get it back.